Fully automatic frozen French fries production line is made of 304 stainless steel. It consisting of cleaning and peeling equipment, French fries cutting equipment, blanching equipment, dewatering equipment, continuous frying equipment, de-oiling equipment, frozen equipment, packaging equipment. The whole line structure design is reasonable. The process is well made, safe, reliable, and high efficient. Potatoes are cleaned and peeled by peeling machine and cut into French fries by the cutting machine. The French fries enter the high-pressure bubble cleaner, and the mucus and starch on the surface of the fries are rinsed cleanly. The separator separates the short strips and debris to improve the finished yield. Preferably, French fries enter into the blanching machine, which blunting the oxidase in the French fries so that prevent the color browning. After vibrating the watering machine, flipping the air dryer, and it can remove water on the surface of the French fries.